Hi guys! Today we are going to see how to connect Facebook Pixel to Shopify. Before getting started this video, make sure to subscribe. So now let's see how to connect Facebook Pixel to Shopify. Go to Shopify App Store and install Facebook Pixel. Let's start the integration process for the Facebook and Instagram app with your Facebook. I want ads only, so click on Ads option, Get Started. Click on Get Started. Ensure you are logged into the Facebook account that has admin access to the business page and ad account you want to connect. Here are a few steps to follow one by one. After completing all these steps, click on Submit Review. Next, go to Business Settings. Then go to Event Manager. Here you can see Pixel successfully created. Scroll down to Event Setup and click Open Event Setup tool. Enter your Shopify store URL and click Open Website. In Facebook Events Manager, click on Test Events. Follow the instructions to set up events such as purchases, add to cart, etc. Here you can see Pixel Tracked Page View. Perform actions on your store, like making a purchase or adding a product to the cart, to see if the events are being tracked in Pixel. Here you can see Pixel tracked all the views. Check Pixel ID. Ensure the Pixel ID entered in Shopify is correct. Use Pixel Helper. The Pixel Helper tool can help diagnose common issues with your Pixel. Clear cache. Sometimes, clearing your browser cache can help resolve issues with Pixel tracking. By following these steps, you should have your Facebook Pixel successfully connected to your Shopify store, enabling you to track visitor actions and improve your Facebook ad targeting. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more content like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.